So in this KOHO financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn 2% interest on purchases here on the KOHO financial application. So once the app's opened up, I want you guys to go to the bottom right to where it says Explore. Then once you hear a bunch of different options here, but where we're going under the Earn tab right here, there's 4 different options. There's cashback, cashback on rent, KOHO cards, rewards. You want to go ahead and select cashback. Once you're on this screen right here, it's going to go ahead and show you how much money you have so far, as well as your cashback percentage and how much money you've made so far. But if you just scroll down a little bit here to where it's purple and it says unlock 2% cashback on groceries, transportation, and more, go ahead and select that. It'll then bring it to this screen right here where you're going to have to go ahead and actually upgrade your plan. Now, so if you go ahead here and look at the essential plan right here, for $7 a month, you get 1% cash back on groceries. You get 2% interest on your entire balance. You get all this other stuff here. If you were to scroll down a little bit more to the extra package right here, you can get 1.5% cash back, 2.5% interest, and where you're looking to get 2% cash back right here is on the everything plan. So right here, 2% cash back on groceries, transportation, plus food and drink, and that's going to be $22 per month, and you can get a free trial that way. So if that looks good to you, you can go ahead and press and try for free that way. You can cancel anytime, of course, and then kind of go from there. So that's how you guys can earn 2% cash back on purchases on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.